Hello everyone, this is Prerna Patil and today we are going to discuss the algorithm for finding the square root of 7 using fixed point iteration method. So, for the square root of 7, equation will be x square is equals to 7. We can also write it as x square minus 7 is equals to 0 for f of x is equals to x square minus 7. So f dash x will be 2x. Now we have to take out the value of g of x, that is x minus f of x upon f dash x. So g of x will be 1 by 2 x plus 7 upon x. We can take the initial guess x0 is equals to 2, then solve until the change between the iteration is less than predefined tolerance. So, the algorithm for square root of 7 using fixed point iteration method will be first we need to define the function fx. Now, the second step is to define g of x, which is obtained such that f of x is equal to 0, such that x is equals to g of x and g dash x is less than 1. For the fourth step, choose the initial guess x0, tolerance error e, and maximum iteration n. Initialize iteration counter step is equals to 1. Now calculate x1 is equals to g of x0. Increment iteration counter to step 1 is equals to step plus 1. If step is greater than n, then print non-convergent and go to step 12. Otherwise, go to step 10 and perform the same functions again. Set x0 to x1 for the next iteration. 10th step is if f of x is greater than e, then go to step 6. Otherwise, we have to go to the step 11. 11th step is to display x1 as root, and the process will stop here. This is how we calculate the square root of 7 using fixed point iteration method. Thank you.